Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to cook pork fillet with polenta chips, and I'm going to serve it with broccoli and cherry tomato, some sage, and I'm going to use a simple dressing with honey and mustard. For the ingredients, please check the description and you can find all the ingredients you need. Let's go and start cooking. We wanted to give a little bit taste to our polenta chips. I am going to add a little bit of salt, garlic powder and all-purpose seasoning. I put a little bit butter in our grill pan. I'm going to add garlic. I just halve it from the middle, and ginger and sage. I fried the pork fillet and my chips are ready, and I pan fried just the vegetable, just a little bit, toss it and create a simple sauce with honey, mustard and butter, and we are going to plate it now. This is my version of pork fillet with polenta chips and simple dressing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you for watching us. Please like our video on YouTube if you like it, and keep safe till next.